So what is your special temptation? Even though many think Eve was tempted by a snake offering an apple, neither is my temptation. One old line goes, I can resist anything but temptation. So let's read our text. 1 Corinthians 10:13. God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, he will also provide a way out so that you can stand up under it. It is so sad that many believe that their temptation can be too much. No, it was not. We just gave in and then fell back on the old excuse of temptation was too great. 1 Corinthians 13 promises us that God will not let us be tempted beyond what we can handle. How can we know that this is true? Well, the text answers that question because God is faithful. When I claim that there is no escape from the temptation, then I am accusing God of being unfaithful. He says he will not allow temptation to be too great for us. We should believe him. We see this principle at work in the life of Job. In Job 1, Satan wanted to lash out against Job. But first, he had to get God's permission. God told him that he could, but told him how far he could go. As hard as things were for Job in that chapter, God set boundaries to protect him. He only let him face what God knew he could handle. When Job passed the test of chapter 1, Satan came back to God to ask for permission to hit him a little harder. Each step of the way, God was deciding how much Job could be tempted. According to 1 Corinthians 13, he does that for you and me. Or as the old saying goes, God will not give us more than we can handle. Whatever your trial might be, you can handle it. I know this because God is faithful.